How to create an abridged model of the IMDb. First we add using namespace std. Now we are going to add in our libraries, such as fstream, vectors and sstream. You can use an external file to list movies, one movie per line, and their different aspects separated by a semicolon. Next up is to create the variables we will be using throughout this project. These variables will include the different parts of your movies like the name and rating. Now we create a struct which will group parts of our movies from each line, using the most of the same variables as earlier. Now we will create a vector that stores the values of each line of the external file. Now we use an if statement as a redundant, so if the file does not open it returns the vector. Here we use a while loop to loop through the text file until there are no more movies left. This processes the movies and adds them to the vector using getLine. We also use stoy for string to integer and stod as string to double. For the list movie function we use coot to display the movie and all the aspects of it. We use a for loop to loop the function until there are no more movies left. Now we use if and else if statements to ask a user what they want to do in these functions. We decide what to do without program, like displaying a certain movie or just a list of them. Now we can add an option to search the files for movies with a certain rating. Now we are going to make a vector storing the values from everything and then display it by running the function.